YouTube, welcome back to WTF Rc Cars. So today we've got a long-term review of the Fastrax toolkit. I've had this one possibly about 4 or 5 months now. So let's have a look what we get in it. You get the different tool tips. Not the worst quality tips that I've found over the years, but especially the smaller Allen key ones. If you're going to use this a lot, especially for building kits from scratch, they're not going to last that long, and the edges tend to dull out really quickly. Not the main issue with this though. That's this thing. This managed to get a quarter of the way through the build of the X-Ray 2020 XB4 before the ratchet system just sheared off, and whenever you put any kind of tension on it, it just slips now. Does it in both directions. I've not managed to find a way of getting it apart yet to have a look if there's anything I can do about it. But yeah, this is definitely the weak link. I do tend to use all these tips still in my drill. Just dropping in the drill bit, tighten them up, and use it to undo Allen heads and a few of the nuts and bolts. But for the price, 20 odd quid, the tool bits aren't bad, but this is pretty much useless. It didn't last very long at all. As something to have in your kit bag, just for emergencies when you're out on track, might last a bit longer, but as your main tools, I'd give this one a pass. But thanks again for watching WTF Rc Cars. If you like and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the notification bell, and we'll see you again next time.